Hello, here's the car tuning station. Today we are going to share you a popular product for BMW. The crystal shift gear knob for BMW or the BMW since 2013 year model. Actually is from 2013 to 2020. The BMW or the BMW model, like the from 1 series to 8 series, and from X3 series to the X7 series, and the 6 GT and Z4 and i8. This product is available for the left hand. This product is available for the left hand driving car and the right hand driving cars. If right hand driving car, the button here will be available. Now this is for the right hand driving car, so it's here. And what you can see here inside the character inside is X. This character, it depends on the what car you are going to install. What car you are going to install. This character can be M, can be 3, can be 3, can be 4, 5, 6, 7, X, 0, Z, and 8 is different inside. You see some detail that quality, see some detail. Okay, this one, and this whole set, it comes with this iDrive knob. You need to replace this when you install, and also this engine start stop, the button, the cover, and some other parts like this one for the iDrive, and cover, these two, and one thing is very important, the flex cable. When you are installed, please make sure that your car battery was disconnect first. Make sure to disconnect the power. Cannot install with the power on, or if it burns your iDrive PCB like this. And so for this set, this product, if you are interested in this, you can contact us for more detail about the product and about the installation, something like that. Contact us. Remember our car tuning station. We are focused to show you the value things. Thank you.